Yeah, I missed the Cellaway party.
I'm sorry. Was it good?
The Cellaway party was...
We got you playlist guys. Slide to the left. Woo! Slide to the right. Crisscross. There are children right behind you. You need to cut that out right now. Those are your children. One hop. Right foot. To the right, 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 to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Oh, y'all know what's next. Rodeo. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. Look at all these blessings. Look at that mustache on the screen. That's a mustache right there. Her kids are right here. Give it up for Snow White! Oh my, and Mickey Mouse can see us now, everyone. All right.
Hey, y'all ain't sleep, man.
Hey.
I don't hate me. What's up?
Hi. You said Daddy hi? Hi.
Yeah, no. I thought y'all was in here asleep.
I was.
Was?
He was. We were.
But
But we woke.
when y'all wake up,
Ready to go eat.
it is about time to go eat. I ain't really hungry though.
He just said don't forget him.
I kind of stopped and got something to eat on the way back.
Get off me.
What?
Get off me. You always eating without me.
But I thought y'all was asleep. It was just a little burger.
Ain't no little burger with you. Ain't no such thing.
Anyway, y'all hungry?
Yes, let's go.
I'll eat an appetizer.
Okay.
Yeah, I missed the Cellaway party.
I'm sorry. Was it good?
The Cellaway party was... It was cool.
Okay.
Cellaway party was what it was. So, anywho, y'all could have been there anyways, but y'all left me hanging.
We were asleep. We much needed sleep.
How long y'all been up?
About 20 minutes.
We gotta eat. I think we got dinner in the Sunset Dining Room.
Oh, I don't know.
At 6 o'clock. We got early dining. We like early dining because you get to see the shows and participate.
Technically, it's 8 o'clock when we up.
Yeah, it's so no. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. So technically it's late for us, but it's early since we're here on the East Coast. But yeah, we like to see all the shows, all the different activities, and stuff like that they have lined up. So that's why we personally pick early dining.
Yeah.
Like I said, they always have stuff open late, like pizza or something like that if you get hungry later on. But we finna go to dinner and
See you soon.
I'm gonna take y'all along. Right over there. I like that.
Oh, pizza. There you go.
Thank you, sir. What you got to say over there?
Say you sleepy, cause it's that lick.
Lick? What lick?
That lick is hitting. So he over here sleep at the table.
I'm not sleep at the
Bad
table.
table manners.
I'm not.
You about to go get me
first of all-
another personal dime.
First of all, if I was asleep at the table, you still fell asleep, both of y'all.
Not at the table.
I'm not asleep at the table. How am I asleep at the table and filming y'all?
Cause you just woke up. What do you mean?
I've been up.
That's why you can sleep at the table. Cause you were up when we were not. I give you permission.
Huh?
I give you permission
Permission to what?
to sleep at the table.
See, that's cool. I can't even like blink at the table. I can't do nothing without being assumed that I'm sleeping at the table.
Now you know a
No,
blink
I've
is
been-
different from a sleep.
I've been watching everything they've been doing this whole entire time.
A blink is different.
Y'all know me. I'm gonna turn up from sun up to sundown, and I'm gonna make sure y'all get that content. Unlike them that was asleep in the room a while ago. You know what I'm saying? So it's the same. My own family be doing me.
That's okay. I'm
My own wife, who cherished to love me through everything. Huh?
Who cherished to love you? I told you it's that lick.
Ain't no lick,
Who
nothing.
cherished to love you?
What, you a hater?
I do love you.
I blinked my eyes one time now. I'm asleep.
Okay. This is a blink. This is a sleep.
That was not like that. You lying.
I'm
Such
just
a
saying.
hater,
I'm
man.
just saying.
You're a
Just
hater.
saying.
You're a hater.
I'm just saying.
PJ, was I asleep? Was Daddy asleep?
Was Daddy
See?
sleep?
See?
Daddy was
Exactly.
asleep. What you pay him?
See,
You
my
don't
boy,
pay him.
my boy gonna tell it right.
You don't pay him.
You know
don't
it.
sleep.
Come on
Sneak-
now.
Sneak him some ice cream.
That's right. That's my boy. Give me that. All right.
Daddy was asleep, huh? Daddy was asleep. Was Daddy asleep? Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Look. Exactly.
you
The
said,
truth
no.
comes out. Exactly.
That's what
Thank you, my
said,
boy.
no.
High five. Give me another high five.
Yes, Daddy.
Ooh,
That's how Daddy was.
what's that?
Right?
No, it was not. They be your own people, boy. I say.
That's how Daddy was.
He confused. You know he's still learning English now. Come on.
He knows English quite well.
How's everyone so far this evening? First, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Mari. I'm going to be mounted for this wonderful 3-day cruise along with my team. If there is anything we can do for you, please do not hesitate to ask any one of us. We just want to make sure that you do have the best cruise ever. I believe you're ready for the fun, right? Yes, you know that we do lots of fun over here. Of course, we will do have the show time tonight as well. This amazing team. They'll be dancing and singing for you throughout the cruise.
Yeah.
For those of y'all that don't know, look, we have another Katoot. We had a last one on the Carnival Mardi Gras.
All right, what's your name?
Katoot.
Katoot?
Yeah.
All right, where you from, Katoot?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Nice to meet you. So you going to be helping us out?
That's what I'm gonna call him.
Toot, toot.
It's from Indonesia as well. Okay, we're gonna see which Katoot is better now. Okay.
Okay.
So much I got a good feeling about you, Katoot. You've been real good. All right.
Thank you.
I don't know because like he's actually just coming to compliment me.
We went to go get the card for. You been waiting on us? Oh, okay. I don't think we were gone that long.
Yeah, it wasn't that long.
Yeah. Yeah. You gonna get some tunes?
Yeah.
Or you gonna snooze on the tunes?
I'll snooze.
So you ready
It's
now?
time to snooze.
Oh, okay.
Hey, boo boo.
And the name of the song. So if it is 15 songs, it means that you can get up to 30 points. You can get 1 point for the name of the artist and 1 point for the name of the song, okay? Each song 2 points. Then in the end, we're gonna check who has more points, and the winner will get a Carnival medallion, right?
How'd you do?
I won.
Nah, you ain't won.
I won in my head.
And yeah, how many you get? How many points you
I
get?
don't know. I don't talk about it.
You tried, baby.
Alright, what's up, y'all? As you can see, this is not the same clothes we had on last night.
Why is that?
Last night was, everybody was struggling.
They saw you struggling. I took video.
Yeah, but they didn't get you. I didn't get you this time like you usually did.
I wasn't struggling out and about like you were.
Anyway, we had a long day yesterday. We got up at about 2:30 yesterday to go get your plane, and then we had a 5:30 flight. So this was our first time traveling on cruise day, and highly don't recommend it. Not only that you can risk missing a flight with delays and stuff, but it's a lot. It's very exhausting, and I think the clips from last night showed that.
And he was trying to talk about us taking a nap. We should have been in here taking a nap with us.
The people need the content.
Yeah, well, you was asleep through the content at the end.
But anyways, we're gonna officially call it a wrap for day 2. Still trying to figure out this ship, so we're gonna see what else this ship has in store for us. It's a little bit different than we're used to, but hopefully day 2
It's more content for you.
I feel like we shot a lot of content.
Well, I don't know, I was asleep. But, you know, we'll do a little bit more on day 2. And it's a C day. So we'll get dressed up tonight for little PJ's birthday, and, well, not too dressy like we normally do, but something other than this. And so, you know, you'll see.
And if y'all made it this far in the video, appreciate you for watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we drop some new content. So we'll call it a wrap. Usually we will say good night, but instead we're going to say see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You say bye? Yeah. Got this feeling in my body.